السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي الطلبة والطالبات. النهاردة هنتكلم عن موضوع مهم جدا اسمه Applications of Integrations، يعني تطبيقات Integration، تطبيقات التكامل. بنستخدم التكامل في إيه؟ أول موضوع بنستخدم فيه التكامل اللي هو Areas Under Curves، يعني المساحات تحت المنحنى. Now let's consider a quarter of a circle like this. خلينا نعتبر دلوقتي ربع دايرة زي ده. Radius of this circle is r. Radius here is r, and here is the point 0 and 0. Okay? This radius equals r, and this is a right angle triangle. Therefore, you can say that this is x and this is y. If the coordinates of this point is x and y. Therefore, you can see the rule here: x squared plus y squared equal r squared. Pythagoras theorem: x squared plus y squared equal r squared. But notice something, that it is not a function, because y has more than one value. Therefore, we should say that y squared equal r squared minus x squared. And after that, we must take the positive square root. Then y equal positive square root of r squared minus x squared. To get the area under this this function, this curve, you must integrate from the point x equals 0 to the point x equal r. From the point x equals 0 to the point x equal r. Like this. We take a slide which equal dx, and this height must equal y. To get this area, we just get the summation of all of this rectangle, which has y as the length and dx as the width. Therefore, we can say that A equal I equal integration from 0 to r, y dx. Now we must write y as a function of x equal y square root of r squared minus x squared from 0 to r dx. To this extent, we must turn to trig to solve such an integration. We must turn to trigonometry. Like this. You must put this substitution. X equal r sine theta. X equal r sine theta. When x equals 0, when x tends to 0, theta tends to 0. When x tends to r, theta equal pi over 2. You see? And since x equal r sine theta, then dx, as you may know, x equal r sine theta, then dx equal r cosine theta d theta. Okay? Then dx equal r cosine theta d theta. Now we will transform all this integration. Instead of talking about x in terms of x, we will talk about theta. We will change everything in terms of theta. Okay? Then our A equal I equal theta 0 to pi over 2 square root of r squared minus r squared sine square theta times dx equal r cosine theta d theta. After that, we can continue here. I equal square root of r square as a common factor. After that, 1 minus sine square theta times cosine theta d theta equal from 0 to pi over 2 r square. We may take it out 1 as square root, take it out as r, but and here is r cosine theta, r square. Then r square 1 minus sine square theta is cosine theta times cosine theta d theta equal r square from 0 to pi over 2 cosine square theta d theta. Now we should remember our double angle rules. We have cosine 2 theta equal to cosine square theta minus 1. Therefore, 2 cosine square theta equal 1 plus cosine 2 theta. After that, cosine square theta equal half times 1 plus cosine 2 theta. This formula, we can use it to solve this integration. Therefore, our integration will be like this. I equal from 0 to pi over 2, you know, r square outside. After that, we have half 1 plus cosine square theta d theta. Now we are going to do the integration. After that, half r square times theta plus sine 2 theta divided 2 from 0 to pi over 2. When you substitute here, you will find yourself this term will be vanished, will be 0, and you will find yourself with just half r square times pi over 2, which will add it up to pi r square over 4. Now let's go. Remember that we just deal with the quarter of a circle. Then the area of the circle is circle equal 4 times pi over 4 r square, which equal pi r square. As we know, that's correct. Okay.